the model in light stanza, I can now create a 3D rendering. So calculate rendering animation. But notice the rendering comes out very dark, as if there's no light in the model. The reason for that is this warning indicator that shows that fixture geometry is blocking the light source. The light is actually contained within the luminaire housing. So I can correct for that by editing the IES file, view edit. And here we can move the light source so that it's below the luminaire housing. Save the results back to the model. And if we re-render, now we can see it looks like the expected beam pattern is appearing along the wall in the 3D rendering view. That's how you correct for misplaced light sources in Light Stanza. You can also do this back in the Revit family editor before exporting. But once they're in Light Stanza, you can quickly adjust using the View Edit IES tool.